Imagine a vast cosmic dance of numbers, each one twirling and spinning in a grand ballet. Each number represents a transaction, a financial event in the life of a company, capturing the essence of its daily operations. Income statements, my friends, are the telescopes that bring this intricate dance into sharp focus, allowing us to see the bigger picture. They tell the story of a company's financial performance over a specific period of time, revealing the highs and lows. Like a cosmic snapshot, they reveal how much money a company earned, revenue, and how much it spent, expenses, painting a clear picture of financial health. This information is crucial for investors, creditors, and managers alike, as it helps them make informed decisions. Think of it like this. Imagine trying to navigate the vast universe without a star chart to guide you. That's what it's like trying to make financial decisions without a clear understanding of income statements. It's like being lost in a maze without a map. They are essential tools for navigating the complex world of business, providing clarity and direction in an otherwise chaotic environment. Let's start with the simplest of these financial telescopes, the single-step income statement. It's like a telescope with only one lens. This statement groups all revenues together and then lists all expenses. The difference between these two totals, my friends, is the net income or net loss. Imagine a lemonade stand. Let's say you earned $50 from selling lemonade. You spent $20 on lemons, sugar, and cups. A single-step income statement would simply show $50 in revenue and $20 in expenses. The difference, $30, would be your net income. Simple, right? Now let's turn our attention to the multi-step income statement, a crucial tool for businesses of all sizes. This is a more powerful telescope, one with multiple lenses that provide a more detailed view of a company's financial health. This statement separates operating revenues and expenses from non-operating ones, making it easier to understand the core business activities. It calculates gross profit, operating income, and net income in separate steps, providing a step-by-step breakdown of financial performance. Think of a large company that makes and sells computers. They have various streams of revenue and different types of expenses. They have revenue from sales but also from investments, which can significantly impact their overall financial picture. They have the cost of making the computers, but also administrative and marketing costs, which are essential for running the business. The multi-step statement breaks all these down, giving a clearer picture of where the money is coming from and where it's going, helping stakeholders make informed decisions. Section 4. Single-step versus multi-step, a comparative analysis. So, which financial statement format is better for your needs? The answer, my friends, is not so simple. It really depends on what you are looking for in your financial analysis. The single-step statement is like a wide-angle lens, providing a broad overview. It is straightforward and easy to understand, making it ideal for those who need a quick snapshot of financial health. The multi-step statement, however, is like a zoom lens, offering a more detailed and nuanced view. It breaks down revenues and expenses into more specific categories, providing deeper insights into a company's financial performance. Choosing between the two depends on your specific needs and the complexity of your financial situation. A small business owner might prefer the simplicity and ease of the single-step statement, which provides a clear and concise summary. A large corporation, on the other hand, would benefit from the detailed analysis offered by the multi-step statement, which can help in making more informed financial decisions. Section 5. Why this matters for aspiring CPAs. For aspiring CPAs, understanding these different telescopes is crucial. You'll be analyzing financial statements, advising clients, and making critical decisions based on this information. It's like being a cosmic navigator, guiding businesses through the vast universe of finance. Your ability to interpret and analyze these statements will be tested on the CPA exam and throughout your career. Master these concepts, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a trusted advisor in the world of finance. Section 6. Conclusion. Choosing the right statement. In the grand cosmic dance of numbers, income statements are our guide. They reveal the financial health and performance of companies. Whether you prefer the simplicity of the single step or the detailed analysis of the multi-step, understanding both is crucial. As aspiring CPAs, you are the astronomers of the financial world. Use these telescopes wisely, and you will unlock a universe of knowledge.